Motorola launch, best 5G smartphone. Motorola is gearing up to launch an impressive new smartphone in India that's generating a lot of buzz among tech enthusiasts. The upcoming Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G promises to deliver a stunning look, powerful camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. Let's dive into what we know so far about this exciting new device. A display that catches the eye. The Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G is expected to feature a large 68-inch punch-hole display. This screen isn't just big. It's designed to provide a smooth and responsive experience with its 120Hz refresh rate. With a resolution of 1080x 200 pixels, users can look forward to crisp and clear visuals, whether they're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games. Power under the hood. At the heart of this new Motorola smartphone lies the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. This chip is known for its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, making the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G a potentially great choice for users who need their phone to keep up with their busy digital lives. A battery that goes the distance. One of the most exciting features of the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G is its impressive battery capacity. The phone is rumored to come with a massive 7700 mAh battery, which should easily last through a full day of heavy use and possibly beyond. But Motorola isn't stopping there. They're also including a 120-watt fast charger in the box. This powerful charger is said to be capable of fully recharging the phone in just 45 minutes, ensuring users spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time on the go. Cameras that capture every detail. Photography enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to with the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G. The phone is expected to boast a triple camera setup on the back. 1. A whopping 200MP camera with AI enhancements. 2. A 50MP ultra-wide camera for those landscape and group shots. 3. A 13MP telephoto lens for high-quality zoom photos. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera promises to deliver sharp and flattering self-portraits. The camera system is also said to support HD video recording and offer up to 20x zoom capabilities, giving users plenty of creative options for capturing their world. Performance options for every user. Motorola seems to be planning to offer the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G in 3 different configurations to suit various needs and budgets. 1. 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. 2. 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. 3. 16GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. These options should provide enough flexibility for users to choose a model that best fits their storage and multitasking needs. Pricing and availability. While official pricing hasn't been announced, industry insiders speculate that the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G could be priced between $39,999 and $45,999, depending on the chosen configuration. However, there's good news for bargain hunters. Reports suggest that launch offers might include discounts of Rs $1,000 to Rs $2,000, potentially bringing the price down to a range of Rs $38,999 to Rs $43,999. Additionally, EMI options are expected to be available, with some sources mentioning plans as low as $10,000 per month, making this high-end device more accessible to a wider range of consumers. As for the release date, while Motorola hasn't made an official announcement, speculation points to a possible launch sometime between late. This phone could be an attractive option for users who demand high performance from their mobile devices. The variety of RAM and storage options also suggests that Motorola is trying to cater to different types of users, from casual smartphone users to power users who need extra space and processing power for their apps and media. A word of caution. While the specifications and features mentioned here are exciting, it's crucial to remember that this information is based on rumors and speculation. Until Motorola officially announces the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G, all details should be taken with a grain of salt. Specifications, pricing, and release dates can change as a product moves closer to launch. The Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be an intriguing addition to Motorola's smartphone lineup. With its blend of high-end features and competitive pricing, it could potentially shake up the mid to high-end smartphone market in India. As we await official confirmation from Motorola, tech enthusiasts and potential buyers alike will be eagerly anticipating more concrete details about this promising device. Whether you're a mobile photography buff, a multitasking wizard, or simply someone who appreciates a well-rounded smartphone, the Moto Edge 60 Ultra 5G seems like it might have something to offer when it finally hits the market.